Hi there, my name is Flavian from We Invented Paris, and I'm ringing the doorbell. I have 2 kids, so my days are pretty structured now, as they were before. So I get up when my kids get up. Now we had the homeschooling, so that took some time. But other than that, I basically can do a lot of the things I did before as well, besides playing concerts, of course. But that's my days. We have lots of time in the evening and on the weekends, which I enjoy. To be honest, I can compose in these situations, but I'm thinking a lot right now, like about why am I doing what I'm doing and what am I actually doing, what am I saying, and do I want to continue the way I did before, or what do I want to do? And so I read a lot as well and did write some songs. When I'm outside, I really enjoy nature. To me, it's like the whole earth can breathe right now. So I really enjoy the spring, the birds, and just going for a walk or doing some jogging, and how everything is slowed down. I really enjoy that as well. Like, people are slowed down and no one can really make plans, and we are forced to be in the moment, and I enjoy that a lot. I'm gonna play a song for you that is from the very last We Invented Paris record that's just being released. So it's a new song, and I wrote it for my wife. It's called Still the One. Sitting next to you feels like reading my favorite book's first page. Story of a girl who sold everything she had for a cottage in the hills. Your head on my shoulder, the weight of today falls asleep in seconds. Babe, you're still the one. I feel so fucking alive every time you're by my side. I want you to know that, babe, you're still the one, still the one. I feel so fucking alive every time you're by my side. I want you to know that, babe, you're still the one, still the one. Sitting next to you and inventing something huge like Paris. Story of our own that we share with everyone, like a rocket spaceship thing. Your head on my shoulder, the weight of today falls asleep in seconds. Babe, you're still the one. I feel so fucking